Hello everyone, I am Priyansh with my teammate Vedant Baldi and Prithviraj Mundal, and our project is metal detector using 555 timer IC. In this circuit you can see we have Arduino Uno board which is being powered by laptop which gives 5 volt supply. It can also be supplied by 9 volt battery or 12 volt charger. We have GPIO board which contains mounted buzzers for the purpose. We have breadboard and wire for the connections. We have 555 timer IC, and we have made the copper coil of 30 gauge wire which contains 150 tons. So let me explain the circuit thoroughly. Let me explain the circuit. There is a Arduino which is powered by laptop, and we have 555 timer IC which is in astable mode producing continuous square waves. These waves are given to the LC circuit and the capacitor. So when the metal gets contact in the near this copper coil, then the inductance of this copper coil changes, due to which the square waves of the 555 timer IC gets changed, due to which the voltage get changed, which is read by the analog pin 3 of the Arduino board. And when this value get lesser than the threshold value, then this gives the signals to the buzzer and it buzzes up when it's get below the threshold value.
This is the code for a metal detector. First we have defined the sensor pin as A3. It is an analog pin and reads the analog voltage across the LC circuit. The values can be seen. Then we have the basic setup. This get average sensor reading, averages out few samples and prints only those to get a more smooth function. We have kept the delay short so that it can be more responsive. This void loop activates the buzzer when the sensor value falls below a threshold value. The threshold has been set as 900 according to our baseline values. So when the sensor value falls below 900, which happens when a metal is detected, it passes a signal to the buzzer and buzzes it.
So now we have uploaded the code on Arduino. It's the whole code. It's working. We have uploaded the code. Here's the Arduino. It's connected to the USB port. It's working. It's showing the green light. So now when we will put this metal beside the coil, it will buzz. Now when we will just keep it aside, it will not buzz. The theory behind this metal detector system is based on principle of electromagnetic induction and the effect of metals on the inductance of coil. So the 555 IC over here is in a stable mode and generates a square wave in the coil over here. So when the alternating current passes through the coil, it generates an oscillating magnetic field. Now when another metal comes near the coil, it changes the inductance due to its own magnetic field. Now when the inductance changes, the frequency of the current changes. So for example, like ferrous metals, they increase the density of the magnetic field, so that increases the magnetic field and increases the inductance but decreases the frequency. On the other hand, non-frequency metals produce eddy currents which decrease the magnetic field and in turn increase the frequency.